Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I have a brand new journal that I'm going to show you today, and it's called Abide. And it's all about what the Bible has to say about abiding. And I've got abide is remain in God's presence and follow his teachings. And so this is the main kit, and there are 15 pages in the main kit. 13 of them are to make the journal. So I went with a lot of natural imagery, animals and plants and forest type imagery, because it was very calming and soothing and natural, and I don't know, I just thought that would be a beautiful journal and also kind of lend itself. I've got some really great artwork in here, I think. Mushrooms, ferns, lots of textures and combinations of various things. Botany notes, squirrel, foxes, and then the last 2 pages are going to be part of what we do to the kit. So that's the main kit, and then the add-on kit. This is going to be a very interesting journal, I think. It's not going to be super easy, but I'm going to show you step by step what to do and how to build it. So here's the add-on kit. I'm just going to do this so I don't, but you can see the imagery. It goes along with the main kit. Natural imagery. These are pockets. The scriptures that have to do with abiding. And this is another sheet that you can either glue to the back of these to make it double-sided, or you can use these as separate cards and write your own messages on the back. Stacked pockets. We have the 4-flap box fold with the main scripture of John 15:7. If you abide in me and my words abide in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you. So that will be the centerpiece of the box fold. There's the pockets. Here's some small tags with some more scriptures about abiding. And then we have lots of interesting ephemera. I've got this Grand Canyon donkey barometer, and the tag that I found, and it's part of the artwork that we're going to put into it. And I better, let's see, did I? Oh well, I'll go back and figure it out. Some more ephemera, and then some of these are pockets and different folds and things that we're going to do. And an envelope, and a really awesome painting called Camp Meeting, and I put Camp Meeting on it. Back in the day when they used to go and they'd baptize people in the river, and they'd have a brush arbor and they'd preach by the river. And tickets to the camp meeting, a scripture to put in it. And then these are pieces and parts that we're going to turn into pockets and different things. Flips and flaps and lots of things like that in this one. So that is the Abide Journal, and I will start very soon on how to put it together. So I hope you will join me and put one together for yourself. And I guess that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.